Yeah, 17 minutes to 6 o'clock. Still sunny outside. Oh, look at this. There's kind of a scooter up there. Here is this Nick Scally, Pitburn, Rivers, James Lane. Yeah, a lot. Yeah, but we're going back here. Yeah, I cannot walk. I cannot go to walk around here because I'm feeling the cold temperature. The wind is cold. I should wear my windbreaker. Actually, I never been to inside that TK Maxx. Yeah, this is going to be the first time. I don't know what they have. It says big brands, small prices. Oh, it's a department store. Clothing, bags, accessories, etc. Ah yeah, big brands like this. Like this DKNY, Steve Madden, Ankline, Steve Madden. Oh yeah, that's what it is. Nine West. Yeah, they have this brand Paradise, Lacoste, and actually there's a lot of Christmas decoration for sale. Nice. Yeah, I saw some things that I like, but yeah, I don't want to spend. I am now going to the JB Hi-Fi to collect the camera. The time now is actually 7:49. Yeah, but it's still bright here. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it's time to have my coffee. It is now almost 20 minutes to 9 o'clock. So yesterday I got my Insta360. Yeah, they repair it, and yeah, it is working now. Took 3 months to repair. This is the pandesal. Yeah, this is the one coming from Roy and Cassie. This is the one that I'm telling you that is similar with the dinner roll coming from Costco. If you remember, I am buying those big bunch of bread from Costco. Yeah, a little similar, except that this one is with crumbs. Okay, this is my lunch. It's called the menudo. Yeah, inside there is sausage, potato, pork meat, carrots, bell pepper. And when I was in the Philippines, I'm only able to eat something like this. I mean, when I was young, yeah, I'm only able to eat something like this on a wedding. Yeah. For poor people like me before, when I was a kid, this is not very common because a lot of ingredients, and a lot of ingredients means a lot of money to buy those ingredients. Usually the basic ingredients that we eat when I was a kid was just potato because it's cheap. Carrots is expensive. Yeah, bell pepper is expensive. But then when I moved to Manila, I was able to eat everything that is usually you see only in the wedding day, in the celebration, because this is available in every food store, carinderia. And again, I wanna say thank you to Roy and Cassie, for this delicious meal. Okay, it is now 1:02, and I'm ready to go to work. Yeah, this is how it is at the moment. It's very beautiful. One, two, three. Yeah, there are 4 cars now. We need to wait for them. close inside there. So there's no car at the moment. Still early. I still have over 50 minutes to start my duty. Okay, we're still here for a little bit. Yeah, I'll just show you how it is today here. Yeah, generally it's beautiful. There are some people on that side relaxing, and the weather is really nice. Yeah, you can actually just sit down here, put your chair, relax, eat something, and look at the other side and enjoy. Yeah, and if you want to be more comfortable, you can sit here in the bench here. There is one more on that side. Yeah, if in case those chairs, tables are occupied, you can just sit down here. It is safe to sit down here, relaxing too. Yeah, amazing. So basically, Inigo was out and about, and then someone greet him. Inigo, yeah. They basically saw Inigo in my blog, and then they become friends. You know, Inigo organized this meetup. And we are now here in the grocery. Inigo is over there already. Yeah, I saw Inigo somewhere here. And now we are here. Inigo is waiting for the pizza. And this is the bridge that they demolished actually, because no people actually is using that. The people go straight to the pedestrian instead. We are now here in Barry Park, and if you are planning to come here in Nelson Bay, Inigo will bring you here.
This is my favorite spot. Alam mo yun? Mga priso! Salamat nga pala sa nagbigay. Yung naka-Balenciaga. We're here with our friends, and I just noticed he's wearing my dream shoes. It's called Balenciaga. No, it's not Balenciaga.
Yo, good day guys. So there is a Jimny in front of me. Yeah, same model like this I am using, but that one is the old model and it's smaller. Looks beautiful. And I'm actually going to the car dealership. Yeah, in the dealership where I bought this car. Yeah, so basically I'm going to test drive a van. I want to make a camper van.